Functional isomerism. What is the meaning of functional isomerism? Here my definition, compounds having same molecular formula but different functional groups present in the carbon chain. So that is functional isomerism. Okay, what is that one? Compounds having same molecular formula but different functional groups. Different functional group. Different functional group. That is functional isomerism. For example, we take C2H6O. C2H6O. It gives different structures. One is CH3, CH2OH. Here my molecular formula same. But it gives different functional groups. That is functional isomerism, right? Okay. Here my carbon, 2 carbons is there ma. Here also 2 carbons, 6 hydrogens, 3, 5, 6, 1 oxygen. So what is this compound name? Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. So one more structure for this this molecular formula gives the one more compound, that is CH3O, CH3. CH3O, CH3. So what is that compound name? Dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. We can observe these two compounds. Here functional group is alcohol, here functional group is ether. Two different functional groups is there in this molecular formula. Okay, according to functional group definition, same molecular formula but different functional groups. Here my molecular formula is same. There is no change in molecular formula, but it gives different functional groups of the compounds. Okay, so that is functional group isomerism. Okay, one more example. C2H4O2. C2H4O2. Okay, right. Here CH3COOH. One compound from this molecular formula. Okay, what is this compound? Acetic acid or ethanoic acid. IUPAC name. Ethanoic acid. Okay, next one more structure from this molecular formula, HCOO CH3. So here molecular formula is same, C2H4O2, but it gives the different compounds. One is acetic acid or ethanoic acid, another one is methyl formate or ester. This one is methyl formate. Okay, one more example. For example, C3H6O2. C3H6O2. Okay, it gives different structures. One is CH3, CH, OH, CHO. Another one is CH3, C double bond O, CH2OH. Third one is CH3, CH2COOH. Here my molecular formula is same, that is C3H6O2. Check 3 carbons, 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons is there. 6 hydrogens, 3, 4, 5, 6, two oxygens. 1, 2. Two oxygens. What is that compound name? 1, 2, 3. That means second carbon having hydroxyl group. That is 2-hydroxy propanol. 2-hydroxy propanol. Next, here also same. Molecular formula is same, means 3 carbons, 1, 2, 3. Then hydrogen 6, 3, 5, 1, 6. 2 oxygens, 1, 2. Then what is the compound name? 1-hydroxy. First carbon having OH group. That is 1-hydroxy propanone. సో ఐయుపిఎక్స్ గురించి నేను ఆల్రెడీ వీడియోస్ చేస్తున్నాను, ఒకసారి అవి మీరు చెక్ చేయండి ఎలా రాస్తున్నాం అనేది. నెక్స్ట్ హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ కాంపౌండ్ నేమ్? ప్రొపనోయిక్ యాసిడ్. ప్రొపనోయిక్ యాసిడ్. సో ఇక్కడ కానీ మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే డిఫరెంట్ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, CHO, ఇక్కడ C+O కీటోన్ గ్రూప్, ఇక్కడ ఆల్కహాల్ యాసిడ్ గ్రూప్. మాలిక్యులర్ ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ సేమ్ బట్ ఇట్స్ గివ్స్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్స్. ఆల్డిహైడ్, కీటోన్, యాసిడ్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ functional group isomerism. Okay, I am giving one more example for this. Fourth one, C4H6. So first structure, CH3, CH2, CH double bond, CH2, and another one, CH3, CH2, C triple bond, CH. So molecular formula same but it gives different structures, different functional groups. For example, here my double bond present, here triple bond present. Then what is the IUPAC's name? This is butene. This is butane. Molecular formula same but it here gives different functional groups. One is alkene, one is alkyne. Okay, one more example for this, CH3CN, next CH3NC. So what is this compound names? Methyl cyanide. This is methyl cyanide. This one is methyl isocyanide. This is methyl isocyanide. Okay, next sixth one, C2H5NO2. It gives different structures. One is C2H5N double bond O. So this is what? Ethyl nitrite or nitroethane. This is generally nitroethane. Then it gives one more compound, C2H5ON double bond O. This is ethyl nitrate. Okay, so here we can see this is one functional group, nitroethyl. This is ethyl nitrate. Here cyanide, isocyanide. Okay, molecular formula is same but it gives different functional groups. That is called functional group isomerism. Okay, are you understand? Thank you.